Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Dre! I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. Sana happy ka ngayong araw na to kahit na kami yung kasama mo to celebrate that special day of yours. Pero yun, thank you for everything. Thank you dahil pinakilala mo si Hila sa amin at nang dahil din sa Hila, nakilala namin yung mga iba't ibang tao, mga bagong kaibigan na talaga namang nakakasama natin araw-araw. Yun. So, mag-ingat ka palagi sa work mo. And more quotas to come, more paldo, more big win. Oo, bahala ka kung saan mo gusto maglaro. Ayun, thank you again and happy birthday.
Hi, hello, Kuya Kaisa. Happy birthday. Sana bawasan mo na yung panchichicks mo. Charis. Sana wag mo kaming iwan basta sa agency. At saka sana mas marami ka pang maitulong sa amin at maitulong sa amin about sa agency. And maraming thank you din kasi dahil sa'yo nakilala namin at nakapasok kami sa Hila. Lagi mo tatandaan dapat sama-sama lang tayo. Sama-sama tayong nung nabuo yung agency, sana until the end or kahit walang end, maging sama-sama pa rin tayo. Salamat and happy birthday.
Hi Dre, happy birthday. It's your birthday. May your troubles feel small. May your God days be tall. Keep that smiling, keep that fighting. Hope your whole year feel just right. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dre.
Happy birthday, Sir Dre! I hope you have many more birthdays to come, more good health, and happy love life soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, Lo. More blessing and more birthday to come. Enjoy your day. Ingat po lagi sa work.
Hi, Daddy! Happy birthday! Mag-iingat ka palagi. Ayun lang. So,